Afternoon. I promise you I am not overdressed for the weather. It was sleeting yesterday and it's kind of misty today and it's bitterly cold. So I'm not going to stay up here much longer, or at least I'm not going to do much digging. I might go and scavenge some more bits and bobs from the building rubble. I'm making a nice little pile. I'll show you my little pile of bits of building rubble. So quite a lot of those broken tile, which will, it's lighter and you can get more area for your weight, but I'll need some bigger, heftier bits for structure really, at least some of the places. Plus there's not that much more broken tile left on the piles of rubble. It's quite a lot of bricks though, so I'll get some of those. The frost that we had last week wasn't particularly prolonged, but we have certainly had enough to have that effect on the clods of soil I was telling you about, the two new beds down here, the two narrow ones. So this one, which I had done more breaking up of last week, and this one at the end, which I pretty much had just turned over and left. You can really see the difference with that one. It's kind of broken down to much better soil now. I've whacked it with the side of the fork enough to break up the clods and they just fell apart, so it's done some good. We probably will get some more frost, and ideally I ought to pick another area to start and turn that over, but I'm not going to. It's just too cold to have any enthusiasm for that task. And in any case, I have, not next week but the week after, off work as non-euphemistic gardening leave, so I should be down here then and get quite a lot done over that week and plant some things that are supposed to go in February, because the onion sets are the only thing that's really gone in so far, but I have several kinds of seed that say you can plant them outdoors in February, and it'll be the end of February, so I will put them in and cross my fingers. It is pretty cold though, so that might be unwise, we'll see. Maybe it'll warm up in a couple of weeks, I don't know. But yeah, it is icy cold, and I am once again very glad that I don't